Got him. Got him. Yep. Got another one. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. I got another one.
Victor's gonna do it again.
Got another one. 4 for 4.
Better one.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he's a nicer one.
Oh,
Holy crap. Zach, that's a bass.
oh yeah, that's a good one.
Bro, what are these bugs doing? Hey, get. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, it just stung me. Alrighty guys, so before we get into the video, I just want to explain that me and my buddy Zach, we were fishing the river here earlier in the morning for catfish. Nothing. We had one bite, but that was it. No catfish. And we've been fishing the river recently, you know, for the past 2-3 weeks here. Probably fished it 4 or 5 times. You know, we're catching fish here and there, you know, a couple of smallmouth, couple of catfish, but nothing really good to keep us excited to want to keep fishing it. So anyway, we were like, screw this. Let's go up to the canal where we caught bait earlier in the morning. Because when we were there, we saw a bunch of fish. I mean, there's bass in there, bluegill, big bluegill. Just carp swimming around everywhere. Just a lot of fish in general. So we were like, let's just go up there, you know, mess around for half an hour, you know, give us something to do and probably leave. On the ride down, you know, I was, you know, talking to myself, you know, should I film, should I not film, you know. Anyway, we got down there and I decided, screw it. I'll just put the chest cam on, leave the camera running, you know, whatever happens, happens. And boy, was I glad I filmed because we got on him. I'm not a big bass fisherman. I think it was just luck, you know, fish the spillway, you know. We figured out a pattern, you know, we figured out how to get these fish to bite, and just ended up being a really good day. So it was a lot of fun. I had a blast. Zach had a blast. So don't really want to spoil the video for you guys, so let's get right into it. Wow, it's nice through here. Dude, that sun feels nice.
Usually when I frog fish it though, it's not clear. It's all horribly weeded up and just not.
Right through here, there's definitely bass throughout here.
Yeah, I thought it.
Oh, I just had a bass. I got one. Yep. Got him.
Got him, Victor. Good stuff, Vic.
Dude, first cast.
The Cinco.
On that small hook, too. That's funny.
The Cinco.
That's my first bass this year.
Yeah, but Vic, it's the frog is where it's at. I'm telling you, when you see something, maybe the Cinco is the way to go, because this is abnormally clear right now.
Little guy there. First cast. That was pretty cool. I just threw it right in there and boom. I saw the flash of them, is what I saw. So, yeah, I'm 1 for 1. Can I make it 2 for 2?
Oh, there's 2 down.
On this side or the other side?
No,
Hello.
it was with the one you thought.
Yeah. I was gonna say, that tree is definitely a good spot. Oh my goodness, that was money. Ooh, I think I have one. Yep.
Take it and go.
Got him.
Another one, Victor.
Dude, second cast. Ooh, that one's better. What in the world?
Good job, Vic. In life, don't give you catfish, they give you bass instead.
Oh, he took my worm. That's alright, I got more. Yeah. Well, I don't see it. Nah, I think he spit it. I don't know. That's a better one. Look at that. 2 for 2. I can't believe that.
Yeah, if it's working up here, then I don't think we should drive down the other side. I think we should
We'll just walk. Yeah, it's nice out.
If the fishing stays as
Look at that, guys. Another little guy, but I mean, 2 for 2. Whoops. I even made it good. Alright. Yeah, I just let it sink, twitch it 1 or 2, 3 times, let it sink. No way.
Another one?
Nope. I just got excited. I saw the line. I think... Oh, there's another one. Yep. Got another one. 3 for 3.
3 in a row.
What in the world?
3 in a row, Victor.
Zach, this is crazy. I've never caught bass like this before.
Now you got content. Now you got bass content, dude.
Another little guy. I mean, they're smaller guys, but they're fun. I ain't complaining. Yo, imagine, Zach, 4 for 4.
4 for 4.
There's no way. There's no way. Hey guys. I'm just throwing it against that tree there. No way. I got another one.
Victor's gonna do it again.
Got another one. 4 for 4.
Better one.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he's a nicer one.
Oh,
He just went in those weeds. What? Dude, that's 4 for 4.
That's a good one.
Is it?
That's a better one. Biggest one he caught.
He looked like a better one.
He's about maybe a pound and a half. Or a pound. Yeah, a pound. He has nice striping on him.
Yeah.
That's a good one right there.
What in the world?
I'm gonna cast in here.
That's every single cast now. You get another one? There's another little guy there.
Probably tiny one.
4th one in a row. I can't believe that. I cannot believe that. This is nuts. Dude, no.
But if they're biting on the frog, you have so much fun.
Oh, dude, I'm having so much fun right now. Oh, my worm's about to rip off.
Just rehook it a little bit over.
Okay. Alright, can we go 5 for 5? I think this is going to be it. I don't think I'm going 5 for 5 here. I'm going to try over here. Oh man, that was money. Did you get one?
Yep.
Zach got one. That's a nice one.
That is actually a pretty good one.
Well, I just ended my streak. It's alright.
These aren't bad ones, though.
Oh no, they're fun-sized ones.
Back clip.
Let me get back in there. Oh. Ah. Look what I did, Zach. Yep.
Tiny.
Tiny hooker. I think I'm just gonna put in even a bigger hook on. Why is there so many flies here all of a sudden? What the heck? Zach, you see this?
Or are they like beetle?
I don't... Oh my goodness, what are they? I think they're like sweat bees or whatever. What is that? What's happening? I want to make sure those aren't like bees.
No, they ain't bees. No, they're real bees.
Bro, what are these bugs doing? Hey! Get! Ow! 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 Oh, it just stung me. No, those are bees. Zach, I think there must be a nest there. Oh yeah, look, there's a nest. Come here. Oh man, that hurt.
Oh shit, okay, yeah, those are wasps. We want to get out of here.
Are those poisonous?
No, they're just bees.
Oh my goodness, that hurt.
So, yeah, you pissed off the hornet's nest, so you better get your stuff quick.
Dude, that was the first time I got stung. I guess we're gonna find out here in a little bit if I'm allergic.
You ever been tested?
No, I've never been stung, man. That was the first time. I'm sitting there, and all of a sudden these things are just flying everywhere. I'm like, what in the world? And they're so tiny too. I'm like, I thought they were just little sweat bees or something.
You want your hook back, Phil?
Yeah, please, thank you. Oh my goodness. Look, that's where he got me.
It's a bee sting.
I mean, you can't see it, but that's dumb, bro. I've never experienced that before. Yeah. Oop. I think that's just a bluegill. Oh, I got one. Yep. Yeah, he's decent. I thought it was just a bluegill at it, because it was like a small peck, and... Well, I don't know how I'm going to get him up and out. He ain't too bad. Alright, well... Can't get my camera to work that well, but... There's one. There we go, that's better. I don't know how well you guys could see that, but... I'm pretty sure I just had that zoomed in all the way. I don't know how I did it. I accidentally zoomed my camera all the way in, but... Oh well. Just caught one right in there. I think I have, yep, one last Senko. Give this guy a go. That one was probably about a pound. That got one. Nice one. Boy, he seems nice. Is he big?
I think he's better.
Holy crap! Zach, that's a bass.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
You want to weigh him? I have my scale.
Yeah, we're gonna wait.
Zach, that's a nice one.
Caught in a little while.
That's probably what, 2 pounds? Maybe 3? Dude, he's got belly on him.
He's probably 3.
I saw the bend in the rod. I'm like, what in the world? That's not normal. I didn't know if you were stuck or what.
Yeah,
I don't know why we're using that. Yeah, there
well,
you
we're
go.
gonna let's weigh him first, and then
Okay.
I'll get a photo.
Oh yeah, look at that.
How many?
I don't know how well you guys can see that, but 3.18.
3.18 pounds.
Yep.
That's
There's a 3-pounder. That's a nice one.
Alright, I want a personal photo with this one.
Yep. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me your phone.
He's a fat one.
Yeah, he's got a stomach to him. I got some nice ones. I'm gonna give it one more cast and then we go. That cast and then we go over to the other side. Oh. Yep.
That would be a good one in here, though.
Oh. Got him.
Good one. Oh,
Not a little guy. It was cool though that they hit that.
brown color.
Yeah. Boy, it's stinky right here.
Yeah.
There's a little guy. Smallest guy of the day there, but I'll take him. give it one more cast in there. Oop. Got another one. Another little guy. Damn, I just lost my worm. He was right there somewhere. Alright. Another little dink, but they're cool to catch. There we go. That's what I was looking for. You get one? Yep. That's a nicer one. That's a nicer one, yeah.
Yeah, fishing these Cinco's is actually pretty easy.
Yeah. Just kind of jerk them a little bit. Give them a little twip, you know? Yeah, that was a nice one. I have no idea how I just did that.
At least modern bass fishing. You know, probably a lighter rod like that is probably better than this.
Oh my goodness.
Right there in the evening to do a good frog fishing if it's
Does not get stung again. Yep. Jeez, I made a bad cast there. No way they just start hitting again. Oh, whoops. We're getting too excited, Zach.
Probably.
There we go.
Just let it sink. Probably on yours over mine.
Ooh, there's a good one. Go over to the bank.
Yeah, we ball.
Okay.
Let him go though.
That's a nice one.
Probably caught them. And I'll have to put on a different color thing so it fell off.
Nah. What?
They got little pink on them.
Ooh, there's one.
Get him, Dick.
Got him.
Got him? He's good. He's good.
Boy,
That's a good one.
that is a good one.
That maybe you're a pound and a half.
Yeah, no, he's smaller. I don't know what. He fought pretty good though. He felt a lot heavier.
Maybe 2 pounds. I guess we found the honeycomb.
Yeah, right. Another nice guy there. Just came back to the spot we Caught the first couple in the first spot.
I wouldn't say the color really matters all that.
No, like the tail. Like mine's a curly tail, is yours straight?
This is like an honest one.
There's one.
That one.
Got him.
You got me.
That's freaking cool.
Oh, okay, there's a couple big bugs down here.
Another little guy. Did it break off or?
The worm came off. Perfect timing. Yeah, the hook's been out.
Yeah.
You have that Leatherman.
Yeah. There.
I'll just have to get another pair of pliers, that's all. And those are nice because they had fishing, you know, things on them. Kind of want them off then. Usually Leatherman would sit it right here.
I'd take it.
Where's your... They're all of them. Oh yeah, you got that.
Yeah, I got a whole pack. Oop. Yep, got one. Got him.
Got him? It seems better. That's a good one.
Yeah, he's nice.
Nice mouth on him.
Mm-hmm. There you go, there's another nice little guy. They're all about the same size, but they're fun size to catch. Yeah, if you take it off, just put it back in the bag, please. There's one. Got him. Oh wow, he's a fighter. Oh wow, he got way up in there. Come back out here, bud. There you go. Ooh, that's a nice one, Zach. He's a little heavier. Yeah, that's a nicer one. It's got a little bit more meat to him. There's one. Got him. Yep. Ooh, that's a nice one. Yep. Oh, get him up. That's a nice. Yeah, I'm trying. Things are a little tangled up. That's a nice one. I'd say he's probably 2. Ooh. Hey, another little guy there. Oops. Well, alrighty guys, that's gonna do it. Great day there in that canal. We fished that canal just using a little Senko and just slowly pulling it there along the bottom and able to get a bass here and there. Caught quite a few. I probably caught, I don't know, 10, 11, 12 of them myself. Zach caught another 10 of them. Had a real good day. Zach caught a real nice 3.5 pounder, so saw a lot of fish. Caught a lot of fish. Can't really ask for anything else. Just gonna do it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely had a blast. First time getting stung, so it's quite the day.